Instant gratification. What do you hear when I say that? I know that somewhere inside of this room, there's 65 of you guys on here. There was another, 75 or so, or a total of 75, 76, 77 guys here when I walked in and saw who Ryan had on here. And I know there's somebody out here that is just fucking on day 1, day 2, or month 3, and you're like ready to have it all. There's this gnawing, nagging feeling where you just want to be released of the sins, of the past, of the failures, of the mistakes, of the frustrations, because you finally decided to take your life back. Because I was you. I remember what this felt like. I remember time after time after time, I would tell myself, come Monday, I'm done. Look, I had 7 major relapses. And when I say major fucking relapses, I'm talking about losing millions of dollars, losing a business, getting looked at for murder, or fucking going to jail, or going to rehab and getting out of relapse in 6 hours, losing my son. Like 7 major catastrophic fucking relapses. I had hundreds of little ones because I count those days, those micro mini relapses multiple times a day because in my fucking mind, I was losing. Then I would decide that I'm going to get my life in order. I'd go 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 3 months. And I would start expecting the world to be like, they should be on my side. Like, look at me. I'm finally fucking being a man. I want you to forgive me. I want you to forgive me, but fuck that. I didn't deserve to be forgiven.